Howzit Grant here, welcome back to the channel, and today we'll be going through how to change out the standard watch band on the Ticwatch Pro 3 Ultra. And even though the band that comes with it is pretty nice, high quality rubber material, maybe you want to change it out to give it a different color, a different look, maybe a different material for a special occasion. It's pretty easy to do. So first off, you want to make sure that you have a 22mm watch band. You can see here on the inside, this one is stamped with 22mm right there. And this is a Barton silicone watch band. I bought them in a bunch of different colors because I want to be able to customize my watch depending on my mood and what color I want to be wearing on any given day. And so once you have a 22mm watch band that you like, just go ahead and turn your watch over, look for the quick release pin on the inside, and just push that inward. So we're just going to push that in here, and that'll release the watch band really easily. So comes off real easy, quick and smooth. Turn it over and repeat the same procedure. So we'll just push the pin in again on this side and it'll release that side of the band. And we'll go ahead and take our new watch band that we want to put on it, flip the watch over, and just repeat the procedure here in reverse order, obviously. So we're just going to take the bottom pin, line that up with the bottom, and then that'll just go in, and we'll make sure we push the pin back in and align the top into the top hole and release it, and it locks right into place. So pretty quick and easy. Just got to get the hang of it and it'll become no problem. Flip it over and repeat the procedure on the other side. So again, I'll just push the pin in. I'll align the bottom pin to that hole. I'll push the pin in and we'll align it to the top, release the pin, and it locks into place just like that. So really nice and simple to replace these watch bands, especially if you get ones with these quick release pins right there. Again, 22mm watch band is what you're going to want. And this is what this one particularly looks like. So I'll go ahead and put this on to give you a feel for what this looks like on my wrist. And they come with two different watch band sizes. So this is the larger one, and you're going to have a bunch of different notches. So you're probably going to find a notch to fit your wrist. I have a very larger wrist. We'll put this one in, and I like this because on the standard watch band, you only have one of these loopholes. On this one, you've got two, and the second one fits into a notch here at the end. So it locks your band into place just like that. And so that's what it looks like there on my wrist with the gray color. Pick whatever color options you want. There's a color, you can customize the outer color, the inner band color, as well as the buckle. So if you want a black buckle to match the Ticwatch Pro 3 Ultra Black, you can do that as well. So there's how to replace the standard watch bands on the Ticwatch Pro 3 Ultra. Any other questions or comments, leave them down below. And as always, thanks for watching.